Hi there, and welcome to the Brinkley family. Today, Adam and I want to tell you about the 1-year complimentary roadside assistance that we provide to you through our partnership with Happy Camper. Let's check it out.
Our videos are here to help you get the job done safely and confidently. Each video includes a difficulty meter to give you an idea of what skill level is needed. Today's difficulty level is
If you love getting out and exploring, you're going to love what your premium membership includes.
We will walk you through your 24/7 smart roadside assistance, your premium add-on benefits, emergency travel assistance, how to request service, and how to use the Happy Camper mobile app to submit claims and get help quickly anytime, anywhere in the US, Mexico, or Canada. Our goal is simple, to give you absolute confidence on the road. Your member benefit guide will also be linked in the description.
So let's start with your 24/7 smart roadside assistance. Here's what is covered. Towing. If your vehicle needs a tow, Happy Camper will take it to the nearest qualified repair center or to a center of your choice if it's similar. Lockouts. Locked out of your coach? They will send a locksmith to help you regain access. Tire service. Happy Camper will repair your damaged tires when possible. If a tire is not repairable, they'll install your inflated spare. Need a new tire? Your plan covers 1 replacement tire per year. Battery service. Happy Camper will provide jump starts and minor emergency mechanical adjustments to get you moving again. Fluid delivery. Happy Camper will deliver gasoline, diesel, oil, water, or other needed fluids in an emergency. Winching. Happy Camper will extract your vehicle from ditches, snow, mud, or sand as long as your vehicle is within 100 feet of a maintained roadway.
Your membership also includes premium add-on benefits, such as get expert advice from RVIA and ASE certified mechanics for technical questions and troubleshooting. Happy Camper will dispatch a qualified mobile mechanic for on-site help when your RV can't be moved. Lost your RV key or key fob? They'll replace it once per year. Happy Camper will help locate the right repair provider and assist with scheduling. If a collision occurs more than 100 miles from home and interrupts your trip, you may qualify for reimbursement up to $2,000 per occurrence with these sublimits. Auto rental up to $400, air transportation up to $1,000, hotel, motel, or campground fees up to $400, and meals up to $200.
For emergency roadside assistance, call 888-960-5440. For reimbursements and claims, you could submit documents directly in the app or call Happy Camper's Concierge Service at 833-243-0349. If the repair falls under Brinkley warranty, you can contact Brinkley or your service dealer for reimbursement.
Let's talk about the Happy Camper mobile app. It's the fastest way to request help, submit claims, and keep your benefits handy on the go.
Happy Camper is for customers that have the Happy Camper sticker near the command center in the interior of the RV. Early units were provided with complimentary roadside assistance from SafeRide.
On the mobile app, you can request roadside assistance in just a few taps and share your location and issue details for a faster dispatch. To download the app, please visit thehappycamper.com/Brinkley.
When you're filing a claim, having the right documents ready can speed things up. Have the following ready: a photo of the issue, if applicable, a signed invoice, proof of loss, and any additional documents as requested. A few quick tips can make your experience smooth. Save the emergency roadside assistance number on your phone. Keep your spare tire inflated and accessible. Keep in mind that the fluids delivered are at member cost. And for winching, remember the 100-foot maintained roadway guideline. Use the app for faster claims and organized documents. And that's the power of Happy Camper. Industry-leading support, 24/7 roadside assistance, and premium add-on benefits designed for all travelers. So whether you're crossing the US, exploring Canada, or heading into Mexico, you're covered, and help is always just one request away.
Again, we want to welcome you to the Brinkley family. And for additional questions regarding our partnership with Happy Camper or to download the app, please visit thehappycamper.com/Brinkley. And also remember to visit BrinkleyRV.com, where you can access the Owners Hub on your desktop or mobile devices. It's available 24/7, and it's a simple and effective way to research topics like how-to, troubleshooting, and installation videos. We can't wait to see where you go next. Happy camping!